Now I have this iPhone 5S here, and it is in mint condition, like fresh out of the box. It is running iOS 9.2.1, and this is the most pristine iPhone 5S I've ever seen, ever. Now, I'm going to replace the battery with this one right here. Now, why am I going to do that? You may ask. Why am I wearing gloves? Well, I'm wearing gloves because I do not want to get any fingerprints inside the phone at all. And now, the reason I'm replacing the battery is because I said to someone, hey, I'll replace your battery with a mint condition one for 40 bucks. They were like, yeah, sure, let's do it. So, I said, we can do it, tomorrow. Now, shipping times would be faster. No, slower, not faster. Would be slower than just taking it straight out of a mint condition, fresh out of the box iPhone 5S. Now, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I've never opened an iPhone in gloves before. So, okay, this is a first for me. Just get that like that. Okay. Now let's open up the phone. If I can find something out here, we go. Something to open up the phone with. Okay, I really do not want to scratch this at all. I should probably put this down, so I don't scratch it. Okay. Now, how I got this phone is I purchased it off eBay. Now, the seller said it had a bad ESN, but when I put it into a website, it said, no, it's perfectly fine. So I bought it for maybe $75, which, in my opinion, is a great deal, even if the phone had a bad ESN with the original box, mint condition, never used. So, yeah, I've had this for, I don't know, like a couple, well, ever since iOS 10 was released, I've had this. Okay. So let's open this now. Oh yeah, of course, it's the iPhone 5S that has the thing directly connected right there. See, that's the thing with iPhone SEs and 5Ss. The home button is connected directly under where it is. Would you look at how clean that is? That's amazing. Okay. I don't need to take off the display, I can just hold it. Probably. Put that right there. And let's put that right there. Okay. Now let's unplug the battery. Now here comes the hard part. I should take off the display. It would make it way easier. Okay. Get this over here. Let's put this screw right over here. Okay. Now let's get this non-magnetic screw, which is probably the only non-magnetic screw in this phone, to my knowledge, at least, which is kind of annoying, but it ensures that you're putting the screw in the right place. Okay, now let's get that last screw right there. Come on, get inside the tweezers like that. Yes, okay. Now let's remove this, put it right there. Unplug the display. Okay. If it wants to come off, that would be just fine. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's do the painful process of actually removing the like adhesive strips that hold in the battery. Now, these are extremely easy to break. Okay. So there should be a better system for, removing your battery. Where's some scissors? So I got some scissors. Now you cut this thing right here like that. Okay, did I scratch the phone? No, I did not. Okay, great. Now, I believe, in my opinion, this is the hardest part of disassembling an iPhone, taking out the battery without breaking the things that hold it down. Right? Oh, shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck. Okay. Absolutely beautiful performance right there. Okay. Okay, let's hope this one is different. I'm not going to pull as hard. Okay. Go slow. Okay, that came out just fine. Getting my gloves caught up in this. Okay. Feel like I'm gonna break it. No? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, Okay, don't scratch it. Whatever you do, don't scratch the phone. Don't scratch the phone. Don't scratch the phone. Don't bend the battery either. Oh shit, I might have just scratched the phone. Oh, this doesn't feel right. Oh. Okay. I just stabbed myself. Oh, that's not good. Okay, anyway. From here, I can pull the adhesive. Probably, if I can get it up here. Yeah, like so. If you could just come on. Oh. Okay. I'm getting somewhere now. Okay, I got hold of it again. Let's not have it break this time. Of course it had to go and break. I don't know what's up. But okay. Woo. Okay. Man, I bent the battery, but still works fine. Like, I have folded batteries like to a 90-degree angle, folded them back, still work perfectly fine. You shouldn't do that, but I have. So, yeah. Let's install the new in quotation marks battery. I need double-sided tape. Okay, now I got some double-sided tape, of course. Let's put this like this. Oh, would you look at how badly I scratched up the interior? Oh, at least it's on the inside, you know? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I better put some on the battery too. Okay. Just like that. Now let's put the new in quotation marks battery in. Okay, nice. That's great. Can I unplug it now? I cannot unplug it with gloves. Can I unplug it with like that? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Now I need to reconnect the display. Let's put all of this like so. Okay, if it will go in. I cannot really feel if I got the connection because gloves, you know. Okay, that heard it snapping. Let's put this like that. And the microphone and earpiece like that. Okay, now let's put the battery in and see if it turns on. Yep. Okay, now let's shut it down. And install. Oh, I can't pick that up with gloves on. Okay, let's get that. No. Okay, let's put this like that. Okay. Get the first screw. That's non-magnetic, of course. Okay, let's just do that one last. Okay. Now let's... Okay, now let's put this back. Okay, great. Put these two screws back. Okay, don't really need to be wearing gloves anymore. Okay. Feels so nice when you take off latex gloves. I just dropped this screw. Okay, let's put that back right there. Okay. Oh, let's put that back in there. And there we go. Okay, let's put the case I had on it back on. Great. Oh, there's some like display bleed through on the edges. I don't know if that was there before. Hopefully it wasn't. Well, it was. Why? Okay. Yeah, hopefully it was there before. Yeah. Oh well. So, there you go. That's just great.